You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name, originally from French, but that is also quite commonly found in Canada in particular, but also other countries around the world. It's pronounced in French as Levesque, because the S is silent in French. Don't really ask me why, that's how it is. French like not to pronounce some letters in words. Levesque is the French pronunciation. In English, therefore, it's usually pronounced as Levesque or Levesque. How to pronounce Levesque. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.